Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on these Oil Slick nail foil blobs. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Madame Glam's peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color, I'm going to be using Madame Glam Perfect Black, curing in between each coat. I did 2 coats of the black, and then I used a little bit of alcohol to wipe away the tacky layer. Now I've got here my pre-cut Oil Slick nail foils, and I'm actually going to be applying the foil adhesive on the backs of these rather than directly on my nail. And I'm going to be drawing kind of a blob shape as though it really were an oil spill. And I've got just a little piece of cardboard here that I'm going to be using to put out some of my gel adhesive. So, get just a little bit of this out. Shouldn't need too much. And then I'm just going to be using a small brush to draw the blob and then curing them. Once the foils are cured, I'm going to go ahead and apply them to my nail, making sure that the blob actually is on the nail. Then I'm going to take a Q-tip and buff it on before peeling it off, and I'll repeat that on all my nails. If you have any shapes that go off the edge of the nail, you may get a bit of a jagged edge to the foil. You can go ahead and either trim or lightly file those. And if you have any nails where you'd like a little bit more oil slick, then you can certainly add another shape. But for now, I'm going to move on to the rest of my nails. once you've added more foil anywhere you think needs it, you can go ahead and make sure to press the edges down. I noticed just a few of them were lifting up in places. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish with Madame Glam's No Wipe Top Coat and a cure. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. I know it's a little difficult to see on camera exactly what's going on inside those blobs, so I did want to show you guys the uncut nail foil sheet so that you could see a little bit better the pattern and all the colors that are going on here. There's a lot of rainbow goodness and a lot of details that on the nail, it's just a little bit too shiny to see. This was actually not the first manicure that I was going to do with these foils, and if you'd like to see that nail fail that turned into this manicure, you can check out the extended tutorial. It will be up here on YouTube shortly, and if you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.